So apparently Despia is the easiest way to build a React Native Expo application, according to this post here on X, which is very interesting because Despia does not use Expo and it does not use React Native. Despia has its own rendering engine that imports all the native modules for all the native functionalities into your native, you know, Swift or Java slash Kotlin project. And the core rendering of your application happens in a very optimized web view, but it's still a web view. Now, there's nothing bad about a web view. Many applications use web views, from Uber to Instagram for core components to Just Watch. The whole thing is a web view, to Price Picks, their whole MVP, their whole first versions were web view apps. They can be very powerful. They increased 70% in performance over the last few years, and they're getting better and better platform support each year. We now got GPU-based rendering, 60 frames per second. So all the horror stories you see on the internet about web views are not true anymore. And they were mainly created for people trying to publish their WordPress landing page to the App Store. Apple doesn't want that. They reject that kind of stuff. But unless you're trying to put a landing page about pet grooming made in WordPress Divi onto the store, you'll be fine, right? So with that being said, that's the technology that Despia uses. I want you to be aware of that and to make your decision on if you want to use Despia or you want to go with something like Roark or something based on the actual information and not on expos that were generated, as far as I can see, based on the M slashes by an AI.